50 years is a long time, and at GH we are well aware of that, because this year our Bakaiku factory turns 50. Yes, you heard that right. 50 years. 50 years of work, of effort, of tons of steel, of many, many cranes. 50 years of technology, of innovation, but above all, 50 years full of stories that we wanted to collect in the place where it all began, in Bakaiku, and with a good many people with something in common, personal stories that in one way or another connected them to the village through GH. We made a spot with all of those stories to kick off our 50th anniversary celebration. We completed them with 10 testimonies to make for a very personal journey through the history of GH in Bakaiku. And when telling our stories, we decided to do so in a big way, with a 50th anniversary commemorative event, attended by all plant workers and prominent local authorities. But how could we make this milestone even more special? With a sculpture that could only have been conceived in Bakaiku, the brainchild of Bakaiku artist Jose Ramon Anda, made in collaboration with the GH team. A piece that rests on oak from Bakaiku and that we dedicated as a tribute to those who retired from this factory. What's more, to immortalize all our stories, we created a special newspaper that we gave to attendees and also made available to Bakaiku residents at a number of meeting points, the social club, the bar, the local shop. In short, an anniversary celebration imagined from a human and inspiring point of view, with a concept meant to awaken people's pride in belonging to this factory, and with graphic styling to match each and every testimony and create a common story. In this way, we were able to highlight each and every person whose work, effort and dedication have made it possible for GH to celebrate 50 years in Bakaiku.
Bastante bisio onak egin dira gauzak.
Aldatu da asko, hobetu da asko.
Dan aurrea junta.
Y además, contento, ¿eh? Sí, sin ninguna pega de nada.
Es buena señal.
Pertsona beti zentroan eduki behar dugu eta hori ez dugu ahaztu behar.
Esas son las cosas que a mí me han influido.
Eta netzako GH family bada, eta ni oso pozik nago GH lanen.
No, que sigan haciéndolo así, que el camino que tienen marcado yo creo que es bueno.
Bai, inbarko ju, beste 50 urte, bai.